Hi, if you want to take screenshots on your Google Pixel Watch 3, then all you have to do is to find this crown button and side button on the right side of the watch and press them together like that. So let's press them together, and as you can see, we can feel slight vibration and this animated screen, and also we can hear a sound. So that is how you can take screenshots. But unfortunately, we don't have gallery installed on the watch, so all of these screenshots will be saved to phone's gallery. After the screenshot was taken, you will receive this type of notification. You can tap it and check where it was saved. Go in this folder, and here it is. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.